everyone! In this video, we are going to show you a magic trick with this beautiful box. I'll put a golden coin here. But on the count of 3, something will happen. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It disappeared! Oh no! Do you want to know the trick? Now I'll show you. First, open it. Put something and close it. It has a movable part on this side, so before you open it next time, please slide this. And when you open it, it disappears. The trick is very simple, so everyone can enjoy. It is very suitable for gift too. That wraps up today's video. We hope you enjoyed. If you want to try one of the Yosegi boxes, please check out our store. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.